got the meat, you got the grinder. Let's get together and make a nice slider.
Check out this electric meat grinder I have here from VEVOR. It's a commercial meat grinder. Let's check this thing out. You want to go ahead and wash everything that you can before use with warm soapy water. Okay, to put this on, press this button right here and it retracts this little pin here. You tilt it this way, and then you want this thing up like this. There. Okay, now for installing these, you can put your meat casings over this, like if you were going to make sausage or something, and then pump it into your meat casings. Then what you want to do is take this, slide it up in here, pull it tight like that, put this on. Got our beef chuck roast here. Just seasoning up our burger meat here. We're gonna mix it all together. Got some Celtic sea salt going in. Put this little pepper in here too. Then I'm gonna put a little garlic in here. Okay, now we're gonna put a little onion in there, onion powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this thing. So we just pop this off. Okay, now for removing this, just push this button. Twist it like that. Take that off. I'm gonna put all this in the sink and just wash it out with hot soapy water. Yeah, super easy cleanup on this. You can see those parts just come apart easily. I'll take that off. And this is just gonna pop out like that.
When the smoke starts rolling, don't stop. Sizzle on the grill, hear that sound. Best little cookout in the whole darn town. Friends